This video describes the main features of the Variant NowForce Dispatcher main screen. A dispatch operator is responsible for managing, monitoring, and dispatching the resources required to deal with incidents and bring them to closure. The dispatcher main screen consists of the dispatcher toolbar and panels. The toolbar is located at the top of the screen and enables you to use the dispatcher tools to arrange, display, or hide the different panels in the screen. Let's go through the toolbar. The User Details icon displays your user information, such as name, NowForce Organization ID, and the dispatch center you were logged into. Here you can also change your password and language preferences. The question mark icon takes you to the Variant NowForce support website, where you can find support articles about the system. Clicking the New Incident icon opens a new incident management window. For more information, please watch the incident creation video. The Alerts icon displays the number of notifications and alerts that require your attention, such as new incident, new live streaming video, new message, and so on. Tap the alert icon to display the new alerts. You can approve all the alerts by tapping Approve All, or tap individual alerts to access more details and operations. The connection icon indicates if there is a network issue. If the connection is lost, a red line is displayed across the icon. The icons on the left side of the toolbar feature a list of panels that can be displayed, hidden, and arranged according to your viewing preferences. Tap them to open or close the various panels. The panel icons are blue when the panel is open and gray when the panel is closed. The Arrange Layout icon allows you to open and automatically arrange the panels. You can also arrange the panels manually by simply dragging, dropping, expanding, and shrinking each panel to your liking. Open panels are highlighted in blue. Let's review the different panels. The Map panel displays a world map and allows you to display layers of the different organization's entities above it. The Map Settings icon allows you to choose a map type and display the different layers on the map, such as users, incidents, and other system resources. Use the Trail icon to track the history of user locations for a certain period of time. The Resource Monitor provides you with an interactive real-time snapshot view of all available resources statuses in any given area. It monitors all the geo-based entities of the system: incidents, responders, reporters, units, assets, points of interest, and geo-based alerts. You can interact directly with a map by choosing the areas and type of resources on which to focus. The Incidents panel displays the main information of an incident, including incident ID, type, creation time, and so on. By default, only active incidents are displayed, but you can also access the details of closed incidents by using the Search option. The Users panel displays a list of all the users in the system and their main characteristics. The Assets panel displays a list of all the organization's assets and their main characteristics. Assets are any entities in or outside the organization that are important or relevant to the organization's operational activities, but do not possess or use a Variant NowForce app. The panel allows you to view, create, and edit assets in the dispatcher. The Messages panel displays a list of active messages that were sent from the dispatcher to mobile app users. The panel allows you to send new messages, to view or search for old messages, and to track the recipient's responses and status. The Resources panel provides you with detailed information regarding all available resources in a specific area. Along with the Resources Monitor, the Resources panel provides you with a powerful situational awareness, geo-based tool to monitor and assess the current situation of all types of organization entities. The Search For feature allows you to search for different entities in the organization. It provides a filterable query within selected dispatcher panels. Please note that the results are displayed only if the relevant panel is open. The search field offers autocomplete options for queries and shows the relevant icon for each result to help you complete the search faster. The search results are displayed on the relevant panels. This video provided an overview of the main features and panels of the NowForce Dispatcher main screen. Thank you for watching.